Armando. This is Ryan with TrendLizard.com. I hope you're doing well. Thanks for sending me the email. I'm going to take a look at XME, which is the Spiders S&P Metals and Mining ETF that I think I've analyzed once or twice for you before. I know it's been at least once, but we'll just start back at the beginning just to get a little bit of context and zoom in and see what's happening. You can probably tell, which is why I'm guessing you want an update, but it's at a really important point for its pattern, and we'll zoom in and take a look at that. So overall, the thing that we've been most interested in is the fact that the decline off the 2011 high into the 2016 low looks like a big counter-trend three-wave move. As I had indicated before, we still want to see a couple things happen to confirm that, but that's what it looks like so far. One big counter-trend move, which creates the possibility that this advance in 2016 is the start of a much larger uptrend that has a long way to go before it's done. But like I said earlier, this looks like a critical juncture where we're going to get a lot of information that should determine if this is in fact the resumption of a longer, larger up move. So let's zoom in and take a look at the midterm advance here. Excuse me, we're looking more at the decline itself. A little bit closer look at the three-wave decline. Very clear move. Last time I analyzed this for you, I said I wanted to see XME move above 31 just to confirm that this was the big counter trend move that we thought it was. It's come close, but it hasn't been able to do it yet. So that's a really critical level. We still want to see that happen, but I don't think that means that you have to avoid it until it does that. I think you can find some opportunities in the meantime. So, and as we zoom in on this advance, I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. But be sure to pencil that in or have that on your radar again, the level 31. We want to see XME move above that level to confirm that this is a counter trend move and that that a larger uptrend is taking place here. So let's zoom in. This is the 2016 advance. It's a really nice advance. Every up leg within this advance has been a trendy move. Every pullback has been a counter trend move. So it's doing everything that it should. It's pulled back in August after completing a trendy up leg from May into late July. Been pulling back since then. It's found support in this yellow area. It's trying to turn back up from here. So far so good, but this is a really important point. What XME needs to do from here is stay above 2350. If it were to continue down and move below 2350, everything changes. We would no longer be bullish. This advance in 2016 would then look like a counter trend move, which is not what we want to see. We want to see this thing maintain its trendy potential and continue up. So as long as it finds a low above 2350 and turns back up from there, this thing is going to have a world of potential. It's definitely something that I would own, something that I would hold. If you hold it now, you can have that stop at 2350. If you don't own it now, you can buy it as it moves back up towards the high it set earlier this year. That would be a good sign that it's going to continue higher. So that's the way I would trade it if I was not yet in the position. But overall, it looks bullish. I mean, it just has to stay above 2350 to maintain the trendy look of this advance. And then once it gets above 31, the sky's the limit. It looks like it can continue immensely higher from there. So it continues to look like a great buying opportunity, but again, the key level is 2350. It's not super close to the current location, but it's as close as we can get right now, given that it just completed a really large up leg and is pulling back. So that's what we're looking at, Armando. I hope that's helpful. Have a wonderful evening, and we will talk to you soon.